Come on, get her back, get her.
You're so nosy.
Come on, Brian, try to hold her.
Don't give a fuck.
I know, Ruth, you're so nosy.
So nosy. What's his name? Her name is Lucy.
Lucy and Brian. Lucky, though.
Come Brian, get to the bed.
No.
Pretty good.
No, that was this.
It's one.
Look, Brian got
Well,
scared.
Of course I do. Where's the bars at?
Like,
I'll bust out my feria for mine.
I'll
I'll bust out my feria for mine.
Do it, Brian, do it.
Dude, I should have recorded when Brian was humping her
Well,
leg.
right down by Brown. I'm gonna go home. I'm walking my pit. Right now.
He's being crazy right now.
Alright, bye. See, Brian?
You're gonna take off.
You? No, Brian, you're gonna get fucked.
Brian, like, hell yeah, I'm gonna fuck this. Brian, like, I'm gonna fuck this shit. They say, like, nah, nigga, I'm gonna fuck you.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Brian's like, what, bitch? Brian, like, bitch, get out of here, I'm tired.
I'm tired of trying.
Oh, one more time. One more time. A little bit more.
He's like, I got it right here.
Be like, oh, shit! Oh, you did it.
That's a horny little dog.
Hump his face! Hump his face! Hey, Brian, I knew you were horny. I didn't know you were that horny.
Brian, first take the shit.
Brian, fuck
No, her face like, I'm tired. Are you tired?
me to my dog.
What,
He's trying to fuck it.
Fuck you.
what aren't I doing to your dog? I'm doing to your dog what I do to you. What I do to women. Hey, Jerry. Yeah, that's right.
Put your ass in your face.
Ew, dude, it's so wet. Oh, shit, dude.
Ew, no, I don't want to take a butt. That was nasty.
Why? He was humping her. You should let it.
You recorded that?
Yes, you should let the magic happen.
Get him, Brian. Get him, Brian.
Nasty ass dog. He's up in the leg.
Hard at it. See, you get that face. I mean, the bed.
Brian, why are you humping the bed? You're supposed to be humping the feet. Brian, like, hey, I need some exercise. Make it go up her nose, eh? Hey, you know how dogs like sniff stuff, eh? Hey. Okay, there. I'm gonna stop because, like, I'm bored.
Brian.